let's do another one. Graph the equations below. Let's see number 7 here. So we know that the left of the x is always slope, right? So this is slope, m is the slope, and we know this is y1, and this is x1, okay? That's just a rule. You just need to know that. On the right of this y, it's y1. On the right of this x, it's x1. Okay, so then we're going to put these. So if we know this is x1, so I'm going to put this up here. 2 is right here. Okay, and 4 is up here. Okay, now with this information, we know that it is minus, but this shows it's plus. So then, and this is plus, and it should be minus. This is our original formula. So if it's minus and minus in the original formula, but in the equation you see plus, that means it's -2 and -4. Because look, if I plug this into the equation, y minus -4 equals -3, x minus -2, these change to a positive, right? So therefore, whenever you see pluses, all you really need to know is that if you see pluses here, your ordered pair is going to be both negative, okay? All right, so here we go. So I'm going to put that point -2. I'm going to go right to -2, because it's negative. You always go left from the center, okay? And you go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's right here. I went down 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the slope is -3. Oops. So if the slope is -3, I'm going to go down -3 over 1. Right? -3 is the same thing as -3 over 1. So I'm going to go down 3. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and right 1. Okay? So right down 3 and right 1. Okay? So here you go. I went down 3, right 1. So this is technically our next point. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. So it's like that. Because there's a point here. Let's do a different color. A point here and a point here. Okay, it's a little messy, so let's try to do the next one. Let me just erase everything here. Oh, not delete everything, but let's just erase all this right here. Okay, all right, next one we're going to do is, let's do number 8. Okay, go ahead and write that down. The best way to do math is doing lots of practice problems. Okay, lots and lots and lots of practice problems. So here we go. Y plus 3 equals -2. So we know this is the slope. So our slope is -2 over 1, because -2 is the same thing as -2 over 1. And then we know that this 3 is our y, and -2. But does this match our point slope formula? No. So then that means it's a -3, right? Oh, but does this match here? Yes. So then that means I'm just pulling out a regular 2. Okay? So opposite signs. So then I plot point to -3, so it's right to 1, 2, and down 3. 1, 2, 3, so it's right here. Okay? Then I need to do the slope. So -2 means I go down 2 and right 1. So it's 1, 2, and right 1. So it goes like this, and I'm going to connect the lines. And here we go. Okay, that's too dark. I want to thinner. So here we go. There you go. Okay. All right. Let's do the last one here. I don't know how to make it a bigger eraser. Erase whole line. So, oh, there you go. That's plenty big. Okay. All right. Next one we have our slope here. This is our slope, 3, which is the same thing as 3 over 1, right? And then our y, it's in point slope form. The negatives match, so it's just 1. And this is positive x, and point slope is negative, so it should be -6. Okay, so I can't really point. Let's see if I can really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down 6, right? Oh, actually, my bad. -6, comma, -1. So that means I go left 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, -6, and then up 1. So it's right here. That's our point, right? Then I'm going to go up 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, and right. Oh, up 1, 3, and right 1. So that's our next point, and now we're going to connect the dots together. So here we have it. Okay. All right, great job, everybody.